Hi everyone, so today's video is going to be a UniWigs wig review. This is called the Jennifer wig. It is a brown balayage remy human hair lace front wig. The colour is described as a wooden caramel, but it's got like really nice blonde highlights through it. The length is 16 inches. The cap construction is a lace front with tracks in the back. Cap size is 22 inches, so that is actually considered like a medium cap size, and if you've watched any of my other videos you'll know I have a very small head, but I did try this wig on and it is fine. I just have to use the adjustable straps in the back. Density is 130%, and obviously because it's human hair you can do whatever you want with it. You can dye it, curl it, straighten it, whatever you want to do. But I do want to say that UniWigs wigs don't tend to have like the bleached knots or the pre-plucked hairline, and although that to some people may be off-putting, they do still look really natural. However, because they don't have the pre-plucked hairline or the bleached knots, they actually last way longer. Try and style it a little bit. The parting is always fixable with concealer, or if you wanted to go ahead and bleach them yourself, I've tried it in the past, it's not too difficult. So let's cut the lace and apply some concealer in the parting, and yeah, we'll go from there. The lace colour on this is really good because you can't even really see it on like my scalp. So for the parting, the thing that I like to use is the Revolution like stick foundation. Press it in. It will tend to get on the hair a little bit, but that's fine. You can just kind of go over that. I actually really like this wig. I feel like it's going to be my next sort of like wear around the house wig.